Like just imagine it. Imagine it. My hand is here, holding on. Change gear, change gear, change gear, change up, and then go back to the other side. Change down, change down, change down. Pila. I even wanna like create my own custom wheel. I've seen some videos with an Argito. Let me bring in some of the stuff I studied and some of the stuff I enjoy doing. Let's see if I can create a custom wheel. Yeah, let's cook. I've practically seen how it is already. Don't mind the mess. It's always a thing with me. But that is how far we are. That is how high we've gone. And we're only on 41%. It's been 8 hours, 30 minutes, 12 more hours to go. So pretty much when I get back from work, this base plate should be done. But at the same time, I feel like I wanna cut that piece. Slash, if I knew how far it was, I think I'll stop it, because I'll show you guys Miranda. Probably stop where it is, keep it flat, but would it actually equal rigidity? I don't know. So depending on how far this one goes and how rigid it is, maybe I'll create another base and see how far that one goes. Day one is like a day, two day printing. So do I have enough filament actually? Filament set up 120 and I am still chilling on about 100, so I think I'm still good. As we customize, but funny enough, there's even F1 some race will be happening right now. And all I have is pipes on the floor. So just put you guys into the loop. This is pretty much how it was before. So it was pretty aggressive, pretty high. And I felt like it's way too high for Formula One steering wheel, so I basically leveled it out on the top. And probably over here in the future, I would want to have LED cluster rev lights happening right over here, and probably like an LCD also to see which gear you're in. But I don't think I'll be implementing such things right now. That'll be when I create my own custom steering wheel. But I'm just getting into the gist of things, into the thicker things. But yeah, let me keep designing. Probably another thing that I'm actually thinking about is I might want to maybe just pop this out just a bit more. If not, push it out a bit more. Or cut this whole piece out and just have it held by the two top pieces. And just have this as an open section. But I don't know. I'll have to just see. But I think I'm just going to print it the way it is and then take it from there. Yeah, I'm probably gonna level that out also. That's gonna be that way. So it's a full like rectangle vibes, because if I come here and Fanny F1, let's see what this gives me. I mean, look how nice that looks. So this is pretty much the vibes that I'm looking for, and this is going for literally 10k. But I'm thinking of those vibes, something similar to that. Probably gonna wrap mine into with Alcantara. This was one, but there was another one that I actually liked more than that one, which was, where are they? This one? I think it's this one. Only one more available, 17,000 bucks, guys. But you see, rev lights chilling there. It's got a whole bunch of knobs. I don't have access to those knobs. But yeah, the look, the feel, the vibes. So this is actually connected here at the top and only the top and middle, and the bottom has nothing, and then that's flappy pedals there at the back. But this is probably where I'm getting my inspiration from, something like this. So this is where we are, ladies and gentlemen. Ooh, my own custom F1 steering wheel. So the things that I was saying was, I was considering that I could cut, I'm using one hand, I could cut the top piece, so I'll just probably throw them at the top right corner and the top left corner. Could cut that down so it looks like it's literally going upwards, which should be like an inverse steering wheel. Could do that, and probably I might do that because as you can see there, that top piece here is hitting the top over here and hitting the top over there, which is preventing it from actually being flat down onto the steering wheel, which is making that part there levitate. And also this part here, okay, well that side's a bit flush, this side's up because it was warping, but that is actually like huge. Like when I put this next to this current steering wheel, which is almost the same as my car steering wheel, if not the same size as my car steering wheel, it's pretty much still the same size, just that you don't have a top piece, neither do you have a bottom piece to hold on to. Let me quickly go to the car. I just want to see out actually the size of the steering wheel. Oh no, my car. So pretty much this is my steering wheel. I know the quality is not the best, guys, sorry. And this is the new steering wheel. Like it's literally just smaller than my actual car steering wheel. And literally when I'm driving, I am holding at these two pivot points, which is here. When I usually drive, I make sure I'm gripped over here because even if anything to happen, I still have control. And literally the wobbliness that I'm feeling, oh crap, I locked it. Wobbliness that I was feeling here is the same wobbliness that I feel in the Sim Racer. So I'll be holding it like this and then tap, tap, up, up, up. Hey, so I still need this top piece here, but I don't think I need this area here, which I'm saying I'm considering on cutting. But that's pretty much the same size as a VW steering wheel, so I'm feeling the exact same like feel and stuff. If imagine if I were to turn this into a rally car, might be onto something, hint. But I don't know. I'd need a whole bunch of sponsors. I need a whole bunch of money. I don't have that, but it would be really nice to do that. So it's pretty much where the steering wheel is. Yeah, I think I'm gonna literally imagine me just on some one day just being able to pop this one out and put this one in. Just imagine. Oh, so you don't let me in, but you let someone else in. But it's fine. Just imagine, this would be so fun. And it's literally the most perfect size. It's the most perfect size that one would ever need.